Hey friends, it's Julia. I am chilling on the side of my bed because on the floor and everywhere around me I have a bunch of clothes and a bunch of stuff to start packing for Scotland. Yay! I'm a little overwhelmed, not gonna lie. So hope everything fits. I need to grab the suitcases, but I figured I would just kind of record my process of packing. A lot of this stuff that I have on my floor is what I showed in my last video. I also want to take some clothes I already have and more comfy clothes and like t-shirts and stuff like that, so it's gonna be a process. I officially leave in 5 days. But yeah, figured I would take you along with me on this journey. First things first, I think that I should probably pick out an airport outfit and an outfit to put in my carry-on. The weather is gonna be like 60s there when I get there, I believe, and I'm getting there kind of in the morning. I think I should wear sweats. Let's see. I just have Nike black sweatpants. Okay, I'm thinking I'll probably just wear a white tee or something and then a zip-up jacket. My whole travel time is like 15 hours, so I would rather be comfortable in what I'm wearing than cute. I'm thinking for my outfit that I'm gonna take with me just in case, I'll probably wear leggings. Bring this because it's small enough to, you know, fit nicely in a carry-on, and then I'll probably just bring another t-shirt and maybe another sweatshirt. Also, I bought a bunch of vacuum seal bags. I'm gonna try vacuum sealing as many clothes and whatever as I can and just see how that fits, and then we'll see if I have space to bring my comforter and sheets that I used at my apartment last year, because I didn't want to buy a university bedding pack because I've just heard like anywhere if you do that at a university is really not the best quality. So we'll see. If not, I am getting it to Edinburgh in the morning, so I'll just stay up and go shopping, you know? Gotta do what you gotta do. All right, I just vacuum sealed my first bag. I am a little bit worried about the weight because each suitcase I think is like 10 pounds or something, and I don't want to go over 50 obviously. So I was just in the bathroom and I cleaned all of my brushes, and I have so much makeup I need to condense, so that's what we're gonna do. This past spring semester and over the summer I was actually a NYX Cosmetics college ambassador. I was gifted a bunch of really awesome NYX Cosmetics products. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I really only had a few NYX Cosmetics products before I even did all of that, but I really liked a lot of their products, so I kind of have incorporated all of them into my daily routine. This is one of the things that they gave me last spring semester. It's a really nice makeup bag and it's super full because I stuff so much in there. So I need to go through and only choose what I'm really gonna use and bring when I'm there. Okay, another thing I don't want to take up a crap ton of space is like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that. So got little travel size bags because I figured when I get there and I go shopping I can just get shampoo, conditioner, and all that there. Also, I'm gonna bring a shower loofah. I'm gonna bring just like a regular toothbrush. I usually use an electric one and I'll bring that, but like just in case I run out of batteries or whatever. Deodorant, of course. I might take another one too, and then new sets of toothpaste. So okay, I've been doing a bunch of stuff, but I figured I'm just gonna take the camera and go around the mess that I've created to show you more of what I will be bringing. I still have some clothes and other things I need to put in the laundry or that's going through the wash right now and everything, and I'm not gonna finish today just because I do have 5 more days, and I'll probably wear like t-shirts and stuff that I want to bring anyway, plus pack like my backpack and everything I want to take on the plane with me. But anyways, I'll just show you. Basically, this is all of the insane makeup that is laid out right now. I'm not gonna take all of it with me. All right, here's a suitcase. Yeah, my floor is absolutely a mess. But I have my Doc Martens with me. The partnership program I'm going with in partner with ASU is IFSA, and they actually sent me this little box. I can go through that actually, but that was super cute and nice of them. An umbrella, I got other shoes, they're just laid out. I got my boxes of contacts because your girl has bad eyesight and I have dailies, so that's going to take up a lot of space, which is awesome. Some regular black masks. I'm also going to take some disposable ones with me, but I figured those are nice and I have like 6 of them. But over here as well, poopery. Yep, because you never know, you know what I mean? I did buy a money belt that's right next to it. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but there's my coat and everything. Got extra stuff here. This is my raincoat I laid out. This is my clothes that I'm gonna carry in a carry-on just in case. I have my airplane clothes kind of laid out. Because I'm a business major, I also brought some like nice clothes. So this is just my suit jacket. Oh, right here is kind of neat. I just figured just in case, you never know. I'm trying to be like better safe than sorry, but it comes with a fork, a knife, a spoon, actually a set of chopsticks, and 2 straws. So these are all like reusable stuff that I washed. All of my medication that I might need, or not might, I do need that. And then I'm slowly starting to get stuff ready to put into my backpack. So I have like my Kindle right here. I have extra charging cords. I have a portable charger that I'm going to take with me. This is a North Face backpack that I actually got before freshman year, but never used it because I got sorority backpacks instead, so I'm going to bring that with me. Got this cute little tote I can use as a purse, kind of, just to go around. It's really cute because it has like a bunch of books on it. Yeah. And then a new hydro I also bought because I didn't like my bright pink one anymore. And then right here I have a bunch of documents, like my proof of being a student, my proof of housing when I'm there, a doctor's note for prescriptions, insurance, like it's literally so much. Copies of like my passport, my ID, like a bunch of important stuff. So I have 2. I'm going to take one in my backpack with me, and I'll probably put another one in my suitcase, one of my suitcases. And then I also copied everything to leave a set for my parents. Okay, hello everyone. It is currently Monday, so I have not filmed anything else since, when did I start? Thursday or Friday? But I've been seeing some friends and family and just packing a little by little because I really still have to do like one last load of laundry and stuff. But I was just shopping, so I'm gonna show you all of that stuff that I got. I went to Ulta and I might have spent a little too much, but that's okay. I really am just worried that I'm gonna run out of my like everyday products, like my brow products and mascara and eyeliner and stuff like that. So I just got doubles, even though I will probably be fine, but just in case. I like to use the NYX Fill-In Fluff, and I use 2 colors. I use black for like my tails and espresso for like the front of my brows. Another thing I got is another one of their Epic ink liners. I go back and forth between black and brown. I've been really liking the brown recently. I just go in weird phases, but I feel like the brown one I have right now is like getting dry or something, so I just wanted to pick up another one, but these last a while. And then I am almost out of moisturizer, so I just got a Clinique moisturizer that I usually get, just one of the small ones. And then usually the way I take off my makeup is I just wash my face in the shower. and that is it. But I figured I wanted to do something a little less like scrubbing and more soft. So I'm gonna try Clinique's Naturally Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. And then I got a sharpener for eyeliner because I have some eyeliner sticks, like jumbo pencils, and then the small ones from NYX, and I don't have a sharpener, so they're all getting flat. Then I went to a few different stores to pick up some snacks. First of all, for me, for the plane, or just like while I'm there. And second of all, I wanted to bring some American things or stuff that they can't find in the UK for my roommates to try. So first store I went to is Trader Joe's because there's no Trader Joe's there. I got this bag. Don't know if I'm gonna bring this whole thing or just stuff some of it into a smaller Ziploc bag, but this is just their white cheddar corn puffs. These are so good. They're better than just Pirate's Booty. And then probably mostly for me on the plane, just chocolate covered pretzels from Trader Joe's because can't go wrong with those. I got 2 bags of their super sour Scandinavian swimmers because I love these and I haven't had them in a while, and another snack for me on the plane, but also can't get these there, so might as well share these with the roomies. And then I went to Fry's and they didn't have a lot of smaller candy items, so I just got 2 things there. I got Dots pretzels, which is mostly for me on the plane and stuff because I freaking love these. And I feel like pretzels is a good plane snack, but I don't know if they have these there either. So if I have extras, this might also be a good thing to bring. And then again, I couldn't find a smaller bag of this, so Cheez-Its, just the original. My personal favorite is the white cheddar, but you can't really get Cheez-Its there, so I'm like, might as well just bring them the dry original. And then the last stop I went to was Walgreens to pick up a few things. I got Milano dark chocolate, double dark chocolate cookies. I freaking love these things. I don't have them very often, but I don't think they have Pepperidge Farm there. As for some of the candy items, I didn't get too much, but I got this small pack of Twizzlers because I don't think they have those there. I personally love Twizzlers. They're better than Red Vines, so that's why I got these. And then I got a Butterfinger bar that they can split. Another thing I got is Junior Mints. I also like these. These are a lot of times something that I get when I go to the movies, so I figured this would be a good one. And then the last thing I got is a bag of candy corn because in America they like to push out all the holiday stuff, decorations, candy like months earlier. It's August and the candy corn has already been out, but I figured this is great because Halloween is coming up and I will be there for Halloween. And as much as candy corn is not my favorite, it's weird. I'll like have a couple pieces and I'm like, no, but I want to see what they say about it and they can't get it there, so why not? But yeah, that is my haul for the day. I don't know how I'm gonna pack those. We shall see, but really I'm almost done. It's still like a mess, but it's just like little things I have to do. I leave tomorrow. In 24 hours I will be on a plane. So let's get finished packing. Okay everyone, I keep scratching my head, which is why I look like a mess. And I might be getting a bruise on my cheek because I was trying to get something in our spare closet where I have a lot of my stuff from my last year apartment like packed up, and something fell on me. So that's really awesome. And I got a pimple patch on right now because this thing won't go away. So we're doing great. honestly, we are doing great. I'm pretty much done packing for the most part. I have all of my duffel bag carry-on ready to go, and basically all of my suitcases. I'm just gonna put on a little makeup tomorrow morning, and so that and like my hairbrush is probably the last thing I'm gonna put in my suitcase. And then I have my laptop charging, my Kindle charging, my Fitbit charging, my portable charger charging, so all of that stuff will be ready to go into my backpack in the morning. I am very excited. I was a little worried at first that I wasn't gonna fit everything. Like when I first started doing it and vacuum sealing, I was like, oh yeah, this will be great. But then I am an overpacker. And so I was like, oh my God, since there's so much space, let me shove more shirts and jackets into this. And that did not end up working. So I had to take a couple things out and like re-maneuver, and I've not weighed them yet. So cross your fingers. But I think that is going to be all for this video today. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have watched this whole video, follow me along on the rest of my journey. I really hope, and I'm going to try my best to vlog as often as I can there. To all my friends, I will miss you very much, but I will see you in December. Bye.